Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Everything you are about to witness is for educational purposes only, and all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content, and as always, enjoy the video. On October 26, 2022, officers with the Houston Police Department pulled over a vehicle for crossing the solid white line, failing to signal, and going 70 in a 55. Officers observed the suspect throw something out the window and later found drug paraphernalia in the car.
Speeding, solid 49, and failed to signal. 2 lane, over two lanes. We're gonna fold over just on the hill cross. You just throw something out. What side? Right, that side. Okay. No, it's fine right here. He spit or threw something out. On, like, right here. What's going on, man? Huh? Huh? No ID?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I have them, but I just ain't got them.
Okay. Going on, step out the car for me. All right, go ahead and turn around. I just got ID, man. Nothing in the vehicle?
The pictures left in my car.
What's that?
The pictures left in my car. I just seen the lights.
Okay.
I just got no.
Here, take him over there, dude.
Anything weapons in the car? Anything in the car? No, I told him what I had. That's it.
There's a rock right there. Yep. Yeah, get the gloves. It's still in his pocket. All you got is that little rock?
That's it.
All right.
I didn't even know this shit was in all that. Yeah.
How long you been using?
Yes.
Huh?
Maybe a year.
Over a year?
Yeah.
It's right there. So it was just a cigarette?
Yeah, that's all that was. I was smoking cigarette.
49-year-old Lafayette Warren was arrested on one felony count of possession of a controlled substance. If convicted, he could face anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison.
To meet you halfway at least.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Get in?
Yes, sir. All right, watch your knee. Okay. Two pipes.
Hello?
Hey, I'm going to jail, man. Get my car out.
What the fuck?
I know.
Where you at?
I'm on 90. Right here on Hillcroft and 90. But I'm going to jail now, so, I mean, they hooked up my car and everything already.
What for?
Some drugs, and I had a warrant. I had a warrant, a theft warrant, in Pearland. I told you.
Fuck me.
All right?
Okay. Should have been your ass at home, right, Lafayette?
I know. Love you. Bye.
Yeah, I love you more.
Bye.
Bye.
And you'll be able to call her once we get down there. All right, watch your knee. All right, Mr. Warren. All right, step out. All right, walk over here. I just stand facing that way. All right, hold on. Step back, step back.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.